Rolls-Royce has successfully completed the first ground tests on its UltraFan engine, and improving efficiency. A planetary power gearbox allows optimal performance for the main fan and compressors. The UltraFan engine is expected to save airlines billions of dollars in fuel costs and significantly reduce their carbon footprint. It also reduces particulate emissions and cuts NOx emissions by about 40%. Rolls-Royce built a new test facility in Derby, UK, specifically for the UltraFan engine, marking the first new engine design the company has tested in over 5 decades. The CEO of the UK's Aerospace Technology Institute praises the UltraFan program for its fuel efficiency advancements and its contribution to reducing environmental impact. Rolls-Royce CEO sees the UltraFan as a game-changer that can improve current and future engines, emphasizing the importance of more efficient engines in achieving the industry's goal of net zero flight by 2050. Brett Adcock, a high-tech entrepreneur, is now focusing on developing general-purpose humanoid robots. The goal is to create robots that can perform a wide range of manual tasks, potentially replacing human workers. Adcock's company, Figure, is entering the market somewhat late, with Boston Dynamics Atlas being a well-known advanced humanoid robot. Elon Musk has expressed belief that Tesla's humanoid robot Worker will be more profitable than its cars. The success of humanoid robots in performing manual jobs faster, cheaper, and more reliably than humans is expected to drive their demand. Adcock has assembled a team, built a functional alpha prototype, and plans to launch a commercially active humanoid robot product next year, with limited volume production by 2025. LG has introduced the Cinebeam PU700R, a 4K projector with a sleek design. The projector can display 4K UHD visuals at up to 120 diagonal inches and has a brightness of up to 1000 ANSI lumens. It features a hinged cradle that allows for easy adjustment of the image from wall to ceiling, with keystone correction and auto screen adjustment for optimal viewing. The PU700R supports HDR10 and HLG content and offers HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity options. It runs on LG's Smart Rebos platform, providing access to popular streaming apps. The projector does not have a built-in battery and requires a nearby wall outlet for power. The Cinebeam PU700R is priced at $1,699.99 and includes a backlit remote. A free LG's Boom 360 Bluetooth speaker is offered for purchases made before June 11. LG has introduced the Cinebeam PU700R, a 4K projector with a sleek design. The projector can display 4K UHD visuals at up to 120 diagonal inches and has a brightness of up to 1000 ANSI lumens. It features a hinged cradle that allows for easy adjustment of the image from wall to ceiling, with keystone correction and auto screen adjustment for optimal viewing. The PU700R supports HDR10 and HLG content and offers HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity options. The Velo Hyperfoil, initially touted as the world's fastest production electric boat and hydrofoiling craft, has launched as an alpha prototype. The prototype's claimed top speed is significantly dropped from 50 knots to 36.5 knots, making it comparable to slower jet skis. The hydrofoil design reduces drag and extends battery life by lifting the hull out of the water on stilts. The prototype features extendable carbon blade legs, an active fly-by-wire stability system, and proprietary Skyride flight control software. Cruise speed is also decreased from around 40 miles per hour to 30 miles per hour. But the slower speed allows for improved battery endurance. The Velo Hyperfoil has a target price of $59,000 and has already generated $2.7 million in sales, with reservations for build slots. The team plans to start deliveries by the end of the year and is accepting reservations for the second production run in late 2024. Scientists from Stanford University and SLAC National Accelerator Laboratory have developed a sunlight-activated powder that can disinfect water in just 1 minute. The powder is made up of nanoflakes of aluminum oxide, molybdenum sulfide, copper, and iron oxide. When stirred into water and exposed to direct sunlight, The powder absorbs photons and releases electrons that react with water to produce hydrogen peroxide and hydroxyl radicals, effectively killing bacteria. After the purification process, any remaining hydrogen peroxide and hydroxyl radicals break down into water and oxygen. The nanoflakes can be retrieved for reuse by using a magnet. In a test, the powder eliminated 1 million E. coli bacteria per milliliter in contaminated water within 60 seconds and could be reused for 30 more treatments. The technology has potential applications in regions without water purification infrastructure and for individuals such as backpackers collecting water from natural sources. Water treatment plants could also benefit from using visible sunlight for disinfection, potentially saving energy. The nanoflakes can be produced easily and scaled up for mass production. The research was published in the journal Nature Water. Airbus's VS-R700 robotic helicopter has completed successful sea tests under operational conditions, including fully autonomous takeoffs and landings in strong gale force wind conditions. The tests marked the first time the tactical VS-R700 rotorcraft drone has been flown at sea as a complete system in an operational configuration. The VS-R700 prototype demonstrated its performance in operational conditions, including taking off and landing on a frigate's pitching flight deck with high accuracy, and without the need for GNSS GPS. The tests involved over 80 fully autonomous takeoff and landing operations, accumulating 8 hours of testing and 14 flights, and successful landings in different sea states. The VS-R700 has a payload capacity of 220 pounds, 100 kilograms, a maximum takeoff weight of 1,543 pounds, 700 kilograms, and is powered by a Thielert Centurion 2.0 diesel engine. Its capabilities include reconnaissance, intelligence, surveillance, anti-submarine operations, maritime security functions, and rescue operations for frigates and destroyers. The next phase will involve testing a second prototype aboard a French Navy FREMM multipurpose frigate later this year. BMW, Tide, and Hans Zimmer collaborated to create the Icon electric hydrofoil, which debuted at the 76th Cannes Film Festival. The Icon features BMW I battery power that allows for up to 50 nautical miles, 93 kilometers, of travel. It is equipped with 3 hydrofoils for efficient and fast cruising, as well as a unique and eye-catching design. The vessel has a prism-like glass house, a distinctive green-colored hull and roof, and a symmetrical design with an asymmetrical interior. The windows offer expansive views, and the triangular shape of the boat opens up a wide entry to the aft lounge covered in glass. The interior features avant-garde furniture, rotating seats, and a single-seat command station. The helm station incorporates a digital command center and car-derived controls. The Icon is powered by 6 BMW I batteries totaling 240 kilowatt-hours, and has a top speed of 30 knots, 56 kilometers per hour, and a cruising speed of 24 knots, 44 kilometers per hour. Hans Zimmer developed the soundtrack for the voyage, which can be enjoyed through the vessel-wide Dolby Atmos system. BMW considers the Icon production-ready and adaptable to various buyer needs, whether commercial or private.